Welcome back, mates. Hope everybody's doing great. Welcome back, Crypto Leverage Trading Group. A little bit before noon on Friday. Kind of like getting a little heads up to start on the weekend, setting up what's going down for this weekend. What can we expect? Can we expect Bitcoin to rebound off of this sell down happen underway here? In a second. We're on the Femex exchange. If you haven't worked with Femex, go ahead and check them out. Love the graphs and ability here. You can do all your charting here. You can put all your indicators here. You can also trade here with a lot of the assets. And so it's very interesting. It's been around for a while, so there are a lot of advanced and experienced traders trading it. A lot less bot action. You don't have to really worry too much about that, unlike Bybit, Binance, and some of the other ones that a lot more people use and a lot more people get hurt. But we're talking Bitcoin, and here's the bigger thing we want to talk about. This is what we talked about it early in the week. We set an all-time high, and when you do that, you enter in do price discovery. When that happens, you get a lot of FOMO. You get a lot of press, you get a lot of media, you get a lot of retail, you get a lot of PayPal, a lot of Venmo, a lot of all those people buying up Bitcoin now. Okay. So if you look at the number of people holding Bitcoin for less than 30 days, active addresses have just bought Bitcoin in the last 30 days, you can kind of see that metric go like this, okay? Because that's what happens. That's fun. That's what happens. But now you're seeing what we call QRT, okay? We call it a quick reverse trade, okay, using the indicator. So now you're seeing a quick reversal, okay? So but we fell below. Here's the key thing: is we looked at and we spoke directly to it. When you break a top, okay, or a resistance level, that resistance level has to hold to become new support for the next wave, okay, of price accumulation or appreciation, price appreciation, right? Otherwise, there are a lot of analysts that see it as a false breakout, right? A false top, okay? And that, I'm not going to argue with that. And that's what's happened with Bitcoin. Bull flag, okay, promotes FOMO, promotes new all-time high, then promotes a breakdown, reversal, okay? And we'll see what happens. So let's take a look at here and what we're looking at right now with Bitcoin going into noon Friday, okay? You're falling below 61, okay? Close to falling below 60. Oh, the wickage did fall below 61, okay? All the way down. So you're looking at this, okay? And this is what I'm talking about when you see what happened here, okay? You obviously had an MACD cross right here, which resulted in the reversal, okay? Now, when that happens, the positive side of that is ultimately you are going to get an RSI indicator buy signal at some point, okay? And the reason why is you got that cross, you got the sell down. It tried to fight here for 8 hours, right? And it didn't hold into this morning. But look at this. We've talked about this in previous videos. Right in line with the same pattern, right there at 80, right there, 83, right there, 83. See the pattern, mates? This is all it is, okay? This is all you need to be looking at. Is really here and do it all on Femex, okay? In terms of, and then right here, our last one, right? We talked about in the previous video was right down here at 42. This is where we are now, okay? Right here at 42. So, what is that going to tell us in terms of this area right here compared to this area right here, okay? When we get another cross in the MACD, likely we're going to get this action, okay? Back up. And that's what you want to look for, okay? We're still above here. If we fall in below, remember, this is the cloud. Remember that. If we fall here, that ain't going to be good. All right, I can tell you that right now. Because then you got this down here in play. We're going all the way back down to 55, okay? So that's what you want to be concerned about, mates. Okay, but you want to look at that. You've seen this before, okay? But the previous all-time high of 64,700 range has not held, okay? It has not acted as support. And so that is a bearish indicator.